Woo!
It's hot. What a fish.
Go down and get him, Nick.
You gonna get the goggles for me? Okay. Hey, cool.
Good job.
You got him. Yeah, pull inside.
Swim to Mom. Swim. What a good swimmer you are, Nick. Look at Uncle Dwayne, Mad Max. Now look at a purple guppy.
A what?
He's not on the ground.
I know. I think it's worse with these on. Ready?
Your chest. I go down and go back up.
Hey, my eyes feel like they're bulging out.
Go up and then I'll lie down.
Will be better than burning. Better than the burning sensation from the chlorine.
Hey, let's stand on our hands again.
Do it again. Do a handstand. Ready?
Do a handstand.
Go. Wait till you see how funny that is, Dwayne.
That's when they fill up with water.
Don't blow water through your nose too hard. It'll blow water up and open the goggles. You can make it tighter between the eyes, I think. Go way out there, Dwayne. He'll swim all the way to you. Okay, ready, Nick? More, Dwayne. Further. Further.
Okay.
Okay, go, Nick.
He's screaming underwater.
He said he was going to say something to you.
Huh?
Okay.
Ready?
Oh, now he's going to turn around and swim back to you. That's it. Look for the stare. Good job. Good job. Good job.
Drop twice.
So you counted what? I ran up. What? And I will go down.
Go up, then down.
Yeah, look at it.
What?
Look at it.
I cannonball? I gotta get out?
Go. What's the deepest?
My deep end, ready? Ready? Oh, don't